Enjoy doing this in the comfort of your own home. Let's say goodbye to the pricey silence and hello to home cavitation. Hold up, we're missing something here. How can I make sure that I'm doing that cavitation treatment thing at home safely? Curious to find out. Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm Cora, a beauty advisor. If you're considering home cavitation treatments, it's essential to prioritize safety. Today I'm sharing 8 tips to ensure a safe and effective home cavitation experience. Keep watching to discover more expert tips. Tip number 1. Invest in quality equipment. Invest in high-quality home cavitation machine. If you're looking to sculpt your body in the comfort of your own home, premium equipment ensures both safety and superior results when it comes to body contouring. Tip number 2. Educate yourself. Before trying a cavitation machine at home, thoroughly research the procedure. Make sure you understand how cavitation works, its benefits, potential risks, etc. Tip number 3. Read the manual. Carefully read and understand the user manual provided with the cavitation device. Each machine may have specific usage instructions and safety precautions. Tip number 4. Start slowly. Begin with shorter treatment sessions and lower intensity settings. Gradually increase as your body adapts. Rushing into high settings can lead to discomfort or adverse effects. Tip number 5. Use gel. Before starting the treatment, apply ultrasound gel to the area of the body being treated. This step ensures proper conductivity and helps prevent skin irritation. Tip number 6. Avoid sensitive areas. Steer clear of sensitive areas such as your eyes, head, neck, and other bony areas of the body. Focus on larger, safer zones like the abdomen and thighs. Tip number 7. Listen to your body. Pay attention to discomfort or unusual sensations during the treatment. If something doesn't feel right, please stop the session immediately. Tip number 8. Consult a professional. Before starting home cavitation, consult a professional. They can guide you on safe practices, proper techniques, and whether at-home treatment suits you. By following these tips, you can safely and effectively enjoy the cavitation in the comforts of your own home. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with anyone who might be interested. That's so much for today. I'm Cora, a beauty advisor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button